Vanessa Barillet with Remax Tyrants, and I am today with Joseph Gomez. He is from Arcus Lending, and I am just going to ask him some basic information about what are the documents if a person who wants to buy a home have to bring him to his office, and also what are the differences between a conventional loan and FHA loan. So Joseph, thank you so much for being here today with me.
Yes.
And really quick, so what will be the documents that the person, if they want to buy a home with us, they have to bring to your office?
Yes, thank you, Vanessa, for meeting with me. So the basic documents that a client will need is going to be 2 years of tax returns,
Okay.
all pages, all schedules,
Okay.
2 years W-2s or 1099s,
Okay.
30-day pay stubs. If the client is self-employed or a business owner, we would need a year-to-date profit and loss statement along with a 2-year
Okay.
profit and loss statement and a balance sheet.
Okay.
We'll need 2-month bank statements, and that's the basic things that we will need just to get started.
Okay. So it doesn't sound like a lot of documentation.
No, not at all.
So good. So so can you tell me what are the differences between an FHA loan and a conventional loan?
Sure. So an FHA loan is a loan that is backed by the federal government.
Okay.
And both FHA and conventional loans, if you'll have to have mortgage insurance on conventional loan if it's you're bringing in less than 20%
Okay.
of the down payment. But on a FHA loan, you can go down to as low as a 500 credit score.
Okay, great.
If you're, yeah, it's pretty great. If your score is below 579, you will have to do 10% down.
Okay.
If your score is 580 or better, you can do a minimum of 3.5% down.
Okay.
You'll have the upfront mortgage insurance, and the mortgage insurance will be on your loan for 11 years, even if you have 20% equity. The 100% of the down payment can be a gift from a relative.
Okay.
Let's see, and
So in that case, now that you mentioned that, do they have to give you like a specific proof that will be, you know, like a gift or?
sure. So
something,
if the gift is coming from a relative, you will need a letter from the relative saying that this is a gift. It's not
Okay.
expected to be paid back by in any way, and you will need to see where the funds came from. So.
Okay.
We'll need a statement, bank statement from the relative where the funds are coming out, and we'll need to see the funds are being deposited at closing, or if they're going to be wired to the title company, escrow company before the loan is complete.
Okay, perfect. So what about the credit score for the conventional loan?
So for conventional loan, your minimum FICO score is 620.
Okay.
So it's still pretty
Yeah.
achievable,
Yes.
very easily achievable.
Yes.
And minimum down payments on a conventional loan are between 3% to 5%.
Okay.
3% is for low to moderate income census tracts, or depending on your income for the area where you're buying. That's a program that's given available. If you're buying a home that doesn't qualify for that and your income is above the minimum medium census tract, then you have to do a 5% down, and then that's the minimum down payment that's required.
Okay. And what about if they have like any debts?
Yeah, so for both conventional and FHA right now, we're able to do up to 50% debt to income ratio. So you calculate what would be your monthly minimum obligation of all of your credit cards, card payments, anything that's on your credit report, and then what would be your minimum monthly obligation for your mortgage payment, mortgage insurance, property taxes, and homeowners insurance. You calculate all that together, and that number has to be below 50%.
Okay.
Of your monthly income. Yep.
Great.
And one of the advantages with a conventional loan is if you're a little strapped for cash, or you don't have as much money as you'd like to, or you don't want to put as much money down into purchasing your home, you're able to save at about $1,000 to $2,000, maybe even sometimes $2,500 on your closing costs, because with conventional we can do an escrow waiver, which means that you don't have to pay for 12 months of homeowners insurance, 12 months of property taxes up front. That's when it stays in your pocket.
That sounds super great.
Absolutely.
Yes, yeah. So if someone wants to make an appointment with you, and or they want to send you some these documents, what will be your phone number to
Sure.
reach out?
So the best number to reach me is 949-501-2070. You can always go to my website. That's going to be posted below, so you can see that, or you can always email me, joseph@arcuslending.com. On my website, you can do an application. You can upload all of your documents. You can email me your documents, or you can come visit me at the office.
Okay, so sounds no excuses,
No excuses.
to be pre-qualified. So my phone number as well is 702-954-2317. You can text me, call me whenever you like. And again, thank you, Joseph, for being here with me. He is from Arcus Lending. I wish you the best, and hopefully we will see you soon. Thank
Hope to
you.
hear from you soon.